Hi there. In the previous tutorial we have seen how to import and preview SQL databases via the so-called Database Explorer module of Grapheme. In this tutorial we will explore more advanced features. To do so, I will reopen the project I already used in the previous tutorial. Once again, the Database Explorer view on the left helps us to explore the scheme of the linked databases and to access the main module capabilities, either via its main toolbar or via the pop-up contextual menus. Let's start executing standard SQL statement on the selected database. We do that clicking on the Execute SQL statement from the contextual menu. This opens a dedicated wizard from where you can edit and execute an SQL statement. Limiting to this tutorial, we will create a simple empty table named test. Done. Okay, let's now execute a second statement to drop the table we have created few seconds ago. Note that this time we open the wizard directly from the toolbar of the Database Explorer view. Another very useful feature offered by the module is its capability to save predefined queries within the project. Let's see how? From the contextual menu or the main toolbar we access the Add Predefined wizard. From there you can edit and preview SQL queries. Once defined, queries are saved within the database to be used later on. Re-executing a saved SQL query actually means to define a new Grapheme table within the project. We have two main options. We can save the table as a static one, where we store the data as they are, or we can save the table as a so-called database project table. This latter embeds the query from which data have been extracted from and has the main advantage to allow the user to update the contents to those actually stored in the database. Let's do that. As you can see, the new table appears in the main table view as a child of the database leech. We double-click to open the table and run an update. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Would you have any query about Grapheme? Don't hesitate to contact our support team at support@grapheme.eu.